Hi there, it's me, It's me, Mario. God damn, his toy. Do you know what time it is, White? Jesus Christ. Well, it's time for the It's time for the toy of the day again. God damn it. You know why I was keep interrupted by this toy over there? Well, let me show you. Shut up. You see this toy right there? Well, today's toy of the day is this parrot. Yeah, it's a repeating parrot toy. Man, this is so annoying. Let me just turn it off. There you go. Back to what I was saying. What will you do on this toy? Is you switch it on, and you say something like this, and he will repeat for you after what you just said. It's kind of annoying, but it's pretty fun. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you that this toy is broken. I don't know, it might be a key split or a wire off or something. Let me demonstrate it for you. It's me, Mario. Well, there's another switch right there. Can you tell me what these is? Can you guys tell me what D and L stands for? And the second switch? Well, okay. Let me know in the comments below. So yeah, that is a repeating parrot toy. I hope you guys see you next time for the next video. Oh my god!